tree lives an extraordinary life. Of course, there's the life we see when we walk through the woods. A tree stands tall, providing a place to live, a place to rest, and a place to grow.
It holds carbon and nutrients and provides us with clean air and clean water. But that's just the beginning.
Because a tree gives us so much more when it leaves the forest to be transformed into the products we depend on every day.
A single tree can become so many things
we cherish in this world. The tree gives us warmth. It gives us the material we use to build our homes.
It gives us a place to gather and a place to make memories with family and friends.
A tree stays with us for a lifetime. And every person who helps a tree along its journey, the landowner,
The forester,
The logger,
the sawmill operator,
The woodworker
And the consumer
becomes part of a tree's incredible story.
So yes, a tree does live an extraordinary life.
you see, a tree never completely leaves the forest.
Its roots remain and its seeds generate new life.
a new tree,
a new generation that will live on to provide a place to live and a place to grow.